Have you ever used those AI music tools like Suno AI? You generated a track using those AI tools and then thought, that's not what I meant at all. Because the biggest problem with most AI music tools today is they are like a black box. You just type a prompt, you hit generate, and you just hope the results match what you had in your head. So today I'm testing something very different. This is Meloty AI, and this is not just an AI music generator. It behaves more like a real producer or creative agent that actually listens to you. Let me just quickly show you what I mean by that. Here's the issue with most AI music generators. You don't really control the lyrics, and prompts are hard unless you already know the music technology. And editing usually means regenerating everything from scratch. And if the lyrics are wrong, you are stuck. So that's why most creators end up opening ChatGPT or Gemini on the side, write lyrics there, then copying them back into the music tool. So the team at Meloty AI basically asked a simple question: why not build the entire workflow around an AI agent from the start? Meloty AI is an AI music agent platform. Instead of just generating music, it chats with you, plans the lyrics with you, suggests the multiple creative directions, and then generates the final song. What's really interesting is you can choose which AI model becomes your creative brain. You got all of these different options. You can choose between Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.2, Grok 4, Claude Opus 4.5, and DeepSeek version 3.1. All of these models are like top most popular AI models out there. Okay, I think enough talk. Let me just quickly show you this in practice. So I am already on milot.ai. Just go to milot.ai or just click on the link in description and then just sign up. And after that, you can simply just click on this create button, and here you will have this agent mode, and then there is custom mode as well. So for now, I'm just going to use agent mode, and here I can just explain what sort of song I want. I can just explain that in plain English. So I want a cinematic electric track with emotional vocals suitable for YouTube background music, and that's what I want basically. Now here's the interesting part. Instead of guessing which model understands my idea best, I will choose multiple AI models and let them work at the same time. So I'm going to select Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.2, and Claude Opus 4.5. I will just deselect DeepSeek version 3.1 and instead choose these top 3 AI models. And now all of these AI models will be running simultaneously. Now let me just click on start, and now let's just wait for it. And here you can see we are going to get 3 different sort of lyrics. Lyrics A will be produced by Gemini 3 Pro, lyrics B will be produced by GPT 5.2, and the third lyrics are produced by Claude Opus 4.5. Now we can directly just compare these lyrics one by one, side by side. I think these lyrics by Gemini 3 Pro just seem more poetic and more emotional, while these lyrics by GPT 5.2, they seem more structured and more balanced, and these third ones just look a bit more experimental. So I think personally these lyrics by Gemini 3 Pro, they just suit my vibe best. So I'm just going to select these lyrics, and then so I'll just click on this select button. And by the way, just creating these lyrics side by side by 3 different AI models with 3 different approaches, this alone saves a huge amount of trial and error already. And also after selecting your lyrics, now you are not logged. You can simply just edit these lyrics. You can ask AI maybe to like customize it further, and or maybe you can ask AI to make it more conversational, more poetic, or more powerful, or maybe expand these lyrics more. You got total freedom to do whatever you want in this stage. Or you can simply just ask your AI agent to like refine these lyrics. You can ask your AI agent to make these lyrics more emotional, or simplify the chorus, or change the hook, anything that you want basically. This feels less like prompting and way more like collaborating with a producer. In fact, in this agent mode, it even shows the recommendation ratings as well. So you're not guessing which direction will work the best. Based on these ratings, you already know that which direction will work the best. Again, you got all of this control before generation, not after generation. Now for the final step before generating, I'm going to select this Pro Vocal mode. If I just click on this, and now you can see I have already selected this Pro Vocal mode. This will be a professional grade model comparable to studio quality vocals. This is their more professional and powerful music model designed for better vocal texture and clarity. Once that is selected, and I have selected my style as well, now I can simply just click on create, and now it will finally start creating this music for us. And you can see it has already started creating music for us. These are going to be 2 different songs, so we got multiple options rather than just like creating one option. And there you go, you can see both of these songs are ready. One is 4 minutes and 21 seconds and another one is 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Now before downloading any of these songs, I can simply just click on play.
into the deep, waking from a digital sleep, a pulse begins. Static fades into the deep, waking from a digital sleep.
So yeah, both of these songs are really professional and exactly as per our requirements. There is no reprompting required, no restarting, and no rolling the dice. It generally feels like working with a producer who understands what you are trying to make. Now here's a major feature for a lot of creators. Let's say you already have lyrics. So instead of guessing how to prompt music styles, you can switch to the custom mode, paste your lyrics in this lyrics section. AI agent from Meloty will analyze these lyrics. Then you can just provide your style in here. You can enter your own prompt to mention what sort of style you want. If you don't know what sort of style you want, you can simply just click on this reference section. If you just click on that, and now you can just like upload a music. You can just upload any music file in MP3 format or in M4A format, and you can upload a file up to 10 MBs. Similarly, you can upload a vocal file or a melody file. Or if you already have a song and you want similar kind of song, then you can just click on this button, upload that song, and then it will turn that song into a prompt. It will basically understand the style of that song, then create a prompt for you to create that similar song. So even if you don't know the genres, BPMs, or music terminologies, the system handles that part for you. This is huge if you write lyrics but struggle with the music direction. So I think using this tool, it will be super helpful for you to generate any sort of song. So once you upload either music or vocal or melody, or just like upload a song, and now the lyrics are logged in already, or even you can visually just create your own style. If you just like go to this genre, and here if you just like choose this synth pop or maybe cinematic or R&B or epic orchestral or jazz, and then you can just choose the vocal, you can just choose the mood as well and instrumentation as well, and now based on that we can see it has already designed a style for you. There is one small but very smart detail in here. During the playback, the lyrics are clickable. If I just click on any specific line, it jumps to that particular specific line, and this makes reviewing, editing, and refining way more faster. Especially if you're working on intros, hooks, or choruses. It's a small UX feature, but it makes a big impact. Honestly, Meloty AI makes the sense for YouTubers, content creators, game developers, agencies, and YouTube automation channels. So anyone who needs copyright-free music with real creative control, this tool is probably the best tool out there for you. And honestly, this is the first AI music platform that I've used that doesn't feel like gambling. It listens, it adapts, and it lets you guide the creative process like a pro. If you want to stop guessing and start controlling your AI music, this is absolutely worth trying. Just click on the link in description and give it a try, and let me know in the comment section what you think about Meloty AI. If you have any further questions about Meloty AI, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.